Hi guys, I'd like to first of all clean up some mess I made last time, so it's easy to see. I forgot that the bottom part of my screen wasn't showing, so sorry about that. Some of things I said was concerning the input I made, and unfortunately you never saw it. So I will make it up for you if it's important. And another thing, we will continue to work on the Quine because Quine are not going to make himself. So this is the thing we left off, and as you can see, it's not very good program-wise. You see, it's some magic numbers here, and I guess we all hate magic numbers. And I didn't use interpolation string. I actually didn't even use string format. And you can correct me and say that it is the same thing. You know, right? It's not right now. It's not in .NET 6. In C Sharp 10, but I guess one more correct way to say it, it's in .NET 6. It's changed. We have string builder now, but interpolated string builder, special builder, yeah. But okay, no matter. Let's let's introduce some constant, just in case we want to save these numbers. So I would call it like, like so, but it's not possible. You know, we know it. You couldn't call a variable like that, and it's smelly. I'm sorry, but I don't want to call my variables very long and strange name like like you know. So I will use this. I think in production it's not going to be a good idea. I certainly wouldn't be happy if someone of my colleagues used quotes in production code, but why do we need to do it? We don't. Here, I think it makes perfect sense. Yeah, I think it makes perfect sense. You can correct me, and you have all the rights too. But sorry, I want to do it like that. So, what is going on? Simply working strangely. Okay. So, what do we have? Now I can use this variable, yeah? Just in case I don't like to, I don't like to, but I cannot type this symbol. I can try, but I don't remember its code, and I will do it like that. Okay. So I hope the code became clearer now. Yeah. So we understand that it is a position of double quote. Yeah. So what's wrong about it? Except if using double quote in the variable name, I guess nothing. And we use it like that, and in our place it is here. Yeah. Another. So the only problem we have, as I see, I made some strange design decision here. So I begin with pause, double quote pause, and when I took maybe I can do it like that. Yeah, it is obviously the case. So okay, now what else? You could say you would rather see it like interpolated string, and I might be agree with you. But let's let's do one step in the time. So now everything changed. So we have this strange here, yeah, and just let's do it like that, and let's start application. And now I hope you would see what I do. What am I doing? Yeah, I hope you will. We will wait. We will wait. What is going on? Build finished, but I was asking for debug. Yeah, and debug isn't active. So I guess we're about to start debugging any moment soon. Yeah, we're debugging. So I will check one more time. Yeah, we're here. So everything I done, I was just trying to see what would I get here. And you know, because Rider and Visual Studio automatically converts with fins to string, I just need to oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn off notifications. Now I will have to do it right now. We nowadays focus assistant, of course. Yes. Yeah. So no notifications. Now what do we have? You see, we have pause. Not everything I expected to see here. Yeah. So I guess it's enough for us to try this. It's not good enough, I guess. 11. 11 is not enough. I have some strange thoughts. Let's compare this with the code we have, because I think I messed something up. Yeah. Yeah, it was 12. So first of all, I did it incorrectly. So we need this done right. Okay, it is my first mistake. And the second mistake I made was, besides, it's not 11 now, because we have, how much symbols do we have? We have 15 and 4. Let's call it 26. Yeah, let's see. Not enough. Okay, 40. 50. 50. Yeah, 50 is not enough. 51. It's 50 was enough. Okay, so let's see what do we have. You know, the good thing is we can do it like that, and that's all. Let's run it. I will remove breakpoint, and we will see what do we get. What do we get? What is gef? I certainly don't know. So not good. First of all, you simply cannot use symbols like that in your variables. So unlike me. Okay. So the lesson learned. I will call this like that. Sorry guys, I was trying to make it short, but you know I tried. But that's another reason why you shouldn't. You should never use some special symbols in your variables, it will hurt you. I won't, but I guess I should. I didn't want to, but what else can I do? Up. Here we go. And we have some extra symbols. You know, let's do it like 40. And we will correct it afterwards. So, what do we have here? Something strange. Don't you think so? What is it? It's simply outdated code. I don't know why. Ah, sorry. Silly me. Yeah. It's not outdated code. It's outdated me. I was just making fool of myself. Yeah. Now we're talking. So, one way or another, mm, we miss some symbols here, and it is fifth symbols. Let's add them. How much do we need to add? I guess we will figure it out. It's 23, so I guess it will be 63. Yeah. Okay, and we will see. Is it enough? Or it is not enough? I feel like I did something dumb. Yeah? Yeah, I did. Actually, I did. So, the thing is, it's not about this number, yeah? It's about this line. So, this line of code need to be here, or I can do it some other way, and maybe it's a good idea, yeah, because let's do it like that, and then we will correct it. Let's go step by step. So so what is wrong? A lot of things, but first of all we have incorrect length. It need to be 3 letters less. 3 letters less. Now it would be okay, yeah? Yes. It seems like it's more than okay. Yeah? And it seems like it's working, yeah? The only thing we need to correct is this. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah, it's right. And now thing I'm concerned about, we have, yeah, we have, I'm, I merged. Did I? No, no, it's okay. So let's run test. Yeah, we can we can run this test. I'm not sure it's necessary because, but okay, we will run all the tests except we have one. Now it's not working. You see? What is it? Control. Uh, Sorry, I don't understand. It's like, what is wrong? I don't understand. Something is wrong. But what exactly? Let's stop. Okay, let's roll it, and we will see. I wasn't debugging. Yeah. Now I will, and I will see. No one will stop me. No one. Bring me the code. I want to see it. Please show me. Okay. So. What do we have? It is so slow. Code and output. Um, you know, I want to see code 20. Let's do it like that, yeah? Yeah. And it's like we have ah we have another one in code and we do not have it in here. Yeah, yeah, we don't. So let's do it like that. mm, Compiled, and I will run the test. I hope I will. No, I won't. No, I will. It's not very caution in the original. Yeah. Now, now it's okay. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, let's just run it just to be on the safe side. Byte the test. I trust in test. In test we trust. Okay. So yeah, we have the same thing. Yeah. This. So what else I don't like about this code? Except pluses, because pluses we can deal with pluses, but one thing I don't like it's not this, because it's just the code of the last symbol, and I think it's pretty much okay. The problem is I don't like we're using the same value twice. We of course using the same value twice here and here, and it would be better if we will somehow didn't. But what could we do? Do you have any ideas? Actually, I have one. I don't like it, because you see, the thing we can do it interpolated screen, yeah, and this way it would be quite easy. It's nothing like this. Yeah, perfect, simply perfect, and it would be it would display correctly, but with not all, because I could rename this, and yeah, we can do it like that. It's starting to be pretty messy fast, because now you see what problems do we have. We have a lot of problems here. We have quite a lot of problems. Can we deal with these problems? Okay, let's try. Let's try. It's nothing to fear about, yeah. It's much easier to work with constants, I guess. To begin with, yeah. So, what do we have? The beginning is pretty much the same, of course. But now we have this, and this is the problem. What can we do? Understand that at this level, we are going up to this. The talk is cheap. Let's watch it. Yeah, let's watch it in the debugger. You still see it. It's okay. So let's watch it. What is it? And my friend, yeah, this is it. This is it. And after that, we want not the same thing to be outputted, not the same. We want it up to. Actually, we want only the beginning, because after that we should print name off, and we should print curly brace, and we do not have curly brace currently in the code, so we should find one and print it. Okay, so we should not only find one, we should find two. Okay, so we should do it like I don't know. It's a lot, and we need just this. Yeah, we need just this. So we need just 4. Okay, now we need 4 plus let's try something like this. Yes, and then name of, yeah, yeah, we want something like this. And now we can use where, no, we cannot. We need to use this. We need to use this. And then we can use the name of a variable. Yeah, and we have it. So actually we can do it like this. Yeah, stir. Okay. Let's bring it. How much? How, I don't want to think. Sorry, I'm lazy. Let's do it 15 and just another one. Yeah, pause. And now do you like it? I don't. So I need to rewrite the code just to be like that. That way I'm safe in regard of name of and the value. I don't know. Simply don't know. It seems like okay, but too much hassle. So actually, okay, let's. Uh, what do we need to finish with? Yeah, we need firstly name of somewhere. Yeah, and we need braces. Yeah, we need to take them. Yeah, and to insert them, and we will. Certainly we will, but oh, it's daunting. Yeah, okay, let's do it. Let's do it. It's nothing to worry about. So let's place all these symbols in the end. Yeah, call me dumb, but it would be last, second to the last, and what would be name of? Yeah, and what did we do? We decided that the beginning was okay. Yeah, first output is okay, and the second output is not. So instead of a second output, we want to have 4, yeah, when actually yeah, no, this one, yeah, okay, so it's not necessary for now at least. what what do we have? Something like that. Let's see what do we get. um, it was strange, it was unnecessary. Let's see. Yes, we're getting close. Yeah, we have var name of and when the next thing equals. Actually, equals could be here, and just another lucky injection of. Okay, let's roll. It's not pretty. It's not going to be, I think. Of course, we, are, we do not, actually, we do not need this string, yeah? But we need a part of it, yeah? So we managed to sneak equals. No curly braces here, yeah, and we need one and two. We need two of them, yeah, and we need to start from, yeah. So actually, let's sneak one curly braces here, sneak second curly braces here, and let's just cut it. Let's just cut it. So we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. So does it ring a bell? No, it doesn't, because I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 symbols I don't need. I'm sorry. And I have a lot of constants still, so I need to introduce new variables. Yeah. What could you do? It seems like I messed up. Semicolon. Otherwise, it's legit. Let's invalidate this. So, are we good? Yes, we are. Good and legit. The only things need to take care of. Oh. Why? Did I... How did I... I never... Something strange happened with Rider's mode. It's like it... It's like something with Alt. Strange. Some strange multi-character behavior enabled, and I never actually planned to. Yeah, I never planned to do it like that right now. So let's find out what is multi-card. Strangest thing happened. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know who did this. Hopefully not I. Column select mode. It's funny. What is wrong? it's easy to tell. Whereon is a lot of things. A lot of things. And name of, yeah. And another one. As you can see, it is getting messy pretty quick. And we need to use this. And we certainly need to what? I'm sorry. This, this, and this, and this. Do you like it? I'm not. That's why it's easier to do it like that. To insert here, here, and we will we already have we already have this, so we do not, yes, we already have this, we already have this, we of course have this. Yeah, and I know it's not pretty. Ask me, what do I think about it? It's crazy. It is crazy, but this is the way it is. And I just don't understand why I'm doing this here, but I now promised you to be the very logical person, yeah? So I'm doing it like I feel. It would make more sense. It would make more sense to do it somewhere around. So I need to use the second from the second. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. And hate constants. You know, I hate them. But I'm doing them. You feel like some dirty thing to do. Uh, Second one, and I need to do first one, and I will need to use this. A lot of goo, a lot of unnecessary goo, yeah, and just like to do this. Name off is okay. Name off is okay, but what is not okay, it's my code. And yeah, this one should be corrected. Sorry. So oh my god, what was it? Okay, now name of. Fortunately, yeah, I told you so. Yeah, you couldn't simply do name of. Oh, like you like to. Correct me. What did I do wrong? I do something. I did something stupid. Yeah, it's not compiling for a reason because it's. Why should it be name of? I do not see name of here. No, no one will see name of here. But I need name of. I need name of. Why do I need name of? Actually, I'm not sure. Let's let's do step back just to see what is wrong now. Oh, yeah. You shouldn't. You cannot. You need to use something like. Yeah, it's obviously. It's obvious. It's not obviously. It's obvious. Did I correct it? It would be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I guess. I guess I did. It is the third symbol. What is wrong? It's a lot of things wrong. It's a lot. So, but it's compiling now, and it's messier than ever. It is messy. We have a lot of constants, and we couldn't get rid of them, of all of them. Let's see. What did I manage to output? Yes, the beginning was okay. Um, Not so okay. Not so okay. Because war part is pretty legit. Now we have. Why do we have this? We don't need it. Won't you agree with me? Yes. And we don't need this. Okay, let's run it one more time. And see what do we get. And what do we get? It's better. No name of, actually. Where do you get name of? There's no place for you. Now we have this, and it's 6 symbols, yeah. So we can do it like that. 6, 8, and okay. Actually, we don't need any quotes. Let's run it. Let's move step by step. So, name of, it's legit. Of course, there is no, but it is solvable to have braces. Yeah, we need to have braces here, just not the curly one. Actually, I'm not sure. Does it call braces in English? Sorry. Braces. No. Let's curly brackets. Curly brackets. Brackets and brackets. Bracket. Parenthesis. Brace. Round bracket. Round bracket. Round bracket it is. Round bracket. Okay. Okay, now I'm sure. Round bracket. We need to add a round bracket. Round bracket here. One round bracket. What is the position of a round bracket? It's easy to guess. Really? I'm not sure about it. I don't want to be guessing one. Let's just dive in. Syntax error. Sorry, I just some constant. Let me be. It actually was easier to start over, but okay. What would it be? 60? 40. Oh, actually I'm close. 60. Now. You mean, yeah. Okay. And the last one would be 10. Yes. So funny, yeah. And entertainment. I'm sorry. I think the solution was clear when there is no so much goo just to be. And you see, I managed to introduce a lot of constants just to get around existing constants. Yeah. So yes, yes, we did this. Yeah, we have quotes and 37. Yeah, and I will obviously clean this part. Yes, I will do it. Don't worry. But do you like it? I'm not, because I feel like it's something illegal, something dirty. You know why? No need, and we don't need it here. And okay, and okay, and then to the next line. Um, I'm sorry. It's too much hassle, just to make it understandable. Yeah, and still, it won't be working if you change just a little thing. Um, Actually, I inserted brackets in the wrong place. Yeah, funny, but now I guess I just do it like that. Yes. So just to get around one one variable, I was forced to introduce yet a number of constants. Wonderful, yes? I think with solutions like this, you are not going to need any problems, because solutions like this ruins a lot of things. I guess. So I will cut the lower part just to be sure. Special symbols I added in the end. I'm not going to show. F. What the f is it? And why? And actually I needed okay. What's another? And why is it I never wanted it here, so still some strange symbols. This one, what is it? We don't need it. Sorry, but we don't need it. So yeah, now we have a beginning, right? Finally. And we have an extreme, right? And we have a beginner phase, right? But of course it's not working because we have a name off in the end, and we don't need to have it. You know, there's a problem because here I'm adding +3. It's not actually +3. It's need to be. It need to be. I'm not sure. What is it? What is it? Does it need to be? It was the last one. Now it's 10. I guess. And still, it's not enough. Because after quote, before the quote, yeah, before the quote, we have some funny things to do. We need to insert 8 1, yeah, something like that. Let's check it out, and then we will correct it. I don't think it is pretty. I think it's awful. Yeah? Yes. It's quite awful. But it is a thing. Yeah, you expect to see here. It is a thing you expect to see here. So next thing you need to I got it wrong. It needs to be 9. And still, you have to add it, yeah, and we have to have closing curly bracket, yeah, closing curly brace, and another one, and now it seems like it seems to be correct. Do you like it? I'm not. You could say it's my fault. It was better before. It was more understandable. Of course, I introduced it variable, and now we can deal with variable. Now we have a lot of constant inside and one moving part. Much better. Much better. If you want to know my opinion about this, it is a bullshit. Let's try. Let's try to do this, and let's compile it. Okay. Okay. Of course. What is wrong? Yeah. Easy. Where is my symbol? I'm sorry, I have none. Okay. Let's try. What do we have? And we have nothing. Why? Ah, because now the position have changed, and we could take advantage of of the only variable we managed to insert in our code. Sorry. Let's run the test again. Yet another symbol. Nicely done. Jesus Christ. I forgot. Yes. Of course. And now every constant changed. Every constant moved. Every constant we set it up from the beginning. It's now incorrect. Nice. I like it so much. I could actually make them dependent on quote position, I guess. But it seems like it's not the best decision. And so, okay, the plan was to sneak in one variable, and we will manage to do it. Nothing will stop us. But I hate it. I hate it. I think the code was much cleaner before it. Yeah, and what else? How could it be? I know. I know. It's because... just because. Um, what can I tell? I missed it. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I missed it. Now what? And yet another problem. Why do we have this? I certainly don't know. Do we have this in the code? No, we don't. Let's fix it in one place. Oh, no, it's a full strategy. Fix in one place. No. Fix everywhere. If it fails, it fails. I don't want to run it. I'm not in the mood to run it. It's not worth running. It's now what? Guys, I screwed it up. How did I manage to screw it up? Code pose. Oh Jesus Christ! And yet, and yet another simple problem. So I managed to sneak the character in the space between quote and equal sign. It's mind blowing. How did I do it? Talented man know how to do things. Okay. Yeah. Now it's simply the matter of what? Actually, I don't like this solution, but I am going to use it anyway. So I will take more than one symbol here. I will take 3 symbols here. The begin and the end. And you can start to blame me right now. No. Not so fast. Here. Why? It's not... It shouldn't be that hard. I guess it should be easy, but I don't know why. Oh, you mean the test passed? You see? It is green. I hope we test best. Or no. What is it? Why is it? You made me angry. Ah, yes. Okay, okay, okay. The last is not included. It skips the last one. And of course, uh, I faced it a lot of times, and now again I faced it, and I'm sorry. Should I hope maybe it will work now? Yes, yes. Still it fails. Please, no coverage display now. Okay, just run with them test. The who would have thought? You know, I'm starting to feel like we need to update. Okay. Why did I execute it? I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask someone else. Auto coverage simply covers nothing. So, as you can see, we are bravely introduced variable and managed to complete some lines of clean code. Actually, name of here we could use, but I think it's not so great idea. We can introduce a lot of variables and try to make use of them, but uh, I'm afraid it's going to pollute the code here much more. So I will definitely advise you not to do it and to go back one step just to use simple constant version. But it's just my advice. As you can see, you can do whatever you want. Um, so let's commit it. Variable. No, let's commit it. I'm not sure it's worth. Let's push it. Why not? So okay, guys, I think it is all time I have for today. Thank you. The last words about this would be I think we could introduce a lot of variables here. And maybe I'm missing something. And you have some idea how to make it clear. You know how to make it, but I doubt it. Because it's some strange kind, it is recursion like. So you need to introduce some variables to display variables or some string constants. Maybe my method is not cutting it out. I think the previous state was okay. Now it's not so okay, but it's working. So best of luck and goodbye.